Is fenugreek good for diabetes? Fenugreek seeds help control blood sugar levels in the body. In today's video, I am going to talk about a simple fenugreek water that diabetic patients can use to get rid of diabetes without any medicine. Here's how to make fenugreek water for diabetes. Soak a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in a cup of water overnight. Drink this water in the morning 1 hour before your breakfast, and chew the soaked fenugreek seeds. Do this process every day for 3 months. If a patient continues to use this fenugreek seeds water for 3 consecutive months, it can be hoped that his blood sugar will become moderate and he will get rid of diabetes. Believe me, this one prescription alone will save you from other diabetes drugs. Blood sugar can be checked after 1 week of use. Be sure to consult your doctor before using it so that they can tell you how appropriate it is for you to use and how much you can use it. And that's it for today's video. Watch these videos to learn more about how to live a healthy lifestyle by eating right. Consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update.